Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. Happy holidays. We have a 1975 rebuilt rear wheel for an H1. Now, if you look right here, it says Takasago 2.15 by 18 4G. So that means it was made in, the rim was made in the 7th month of 1974. So I believe this would be a 1975 wheel, but I don't think anybody would challenge you at 74 either. And then the rim is a 305, and we believe that 305 is H1. We believe. Okay. This is NOS Spokes. We have a lot of stuff laying around. So we have these spokes. So the spokes are NOS. The bearings are sealed bearings on both sides. The brake drum is just fantastic. It's mint. The hub is mint. And you can see the vapor blasting right here. And the polishing. We do vapor blasting in-house here, and we have the ultimate setup, and we have the ultimate finish. We've been working pretty hard on it. So this wheel will work on 69 through 75 H1, or to work on KH1500. However, because of the date code, it's perfect for the 75. But may go back as far as 74, but I think it's 75. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff, and we'll have this on our webpage.